Okay, I'm looking at Litecoin by request. So if the news is not good, do not shoot the messenger. I think that this chart, which is the Coinbase one, does not look as good as Bitcoin or Ethereum. The Bitfinex chart is pretty similar. It's basically the same conclusion. I'll go back to the Coinbase one as it's clearer. I think that this is probably going to see another low beneath towards 100. The idea on the daily chart is the decline from December is one corrective wave. There's an up move here like an X wave, and we now come down here. We did not break the February low. The up move appears corrective, and I think at this stage, with a break of trend, which I'll go over in a moment, it's more likely to see a new low under 101, whatever the low is in February, to a new low, and then it will have a chance to rally higher. So I think at this stage, the odds are not in the bull's favor. I think a new low is more likely, and then we can see a rally. And that overall will just make this a bigger three-wave move. I can't say, of course, how low it will come if it breaks, but there's some support, as you can see, 90 level across here. So you have a price interactive zone between, let's say, about 80 and 95. So if a new low comes, we can look at that as an area. To go over the local data, see how it looks at the moment. It looks a little bit different than it does, unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, which I made videos on today. This from April does not have an impulsive nature. It looks choppy and corrective. This is its own three-wave move, and this looks like a choppy move up too. So that suggests we're dealing with a three-wave move. If you're long this, I would be careful, because on a break of trend here, like this, if it cracks this trend, it is more likely to move back down towards 110 or so. Not certain, more likely. So just be aware of that. I don't think the bulls have a grip of this yet like they do the other two. And I think at this stage it's more likely. So a break of trend here, a break of that trend, we'll see it more likely to come back down. Also, a bearish weekly close, a bearish daily close today will probably be negative because the stochastics are up at the top, and it's more likely to roll over at this stage. It's only Saturday. I can't judge the weekly until it closes, but I've said basically what I needed to say. I think you get the picture. It's more likely at this stage to see another low under 100 than it is to rally. It can rally, it can happen, but the price, how do I want to put it? The advance so far from the April low is not impulsive and does not have the pattern and the style of movement needed to suggest a bullish trend. So that suggests that it's still in a bearish trend for now. Okay, good luck. Cheers.